Did you know the science behind a sneeze? When you're happy, your brain releases neurotransmitters like dopamine, serotonin, and endorphins. These chemicals are often referred to as feel-good neurotransmitters and are associated with pleasure, reward, and feelings of well-being. Happiness can help to reduce levels of stress hormones, such as cortisol. This can lead to lower blood pressure and a more relaxed state of being. Studies suggest that experiencing positive emotions, including happiness, can have a positive impact on the immune system, potentially boosting your body's ability to fight off illnesses. Being in a happy state of mind can lead to improved cognitive abilities, including better memory.